We have some big news coming in. Over 10 Jayadeva hospital staff quarantined. Patient number 252 was admitted to Jayadeva hospital before shifting to Victoria hospital. This is the big news we're currently tracking at this moment. Patient number 242 passed away on the 13th of April. Patient number 252's 26 family members also have been quarantined. Now, over 10 Jayadeva hospital staff who had come in contact with the patient who succumbed to COVID-19 have been quarantined. Patient number 252 was a case of severe acute respiratory infection. He succumbed to the deadly virus. Over 26 family members of the deceased also have been quarantined. Let's go across to my colleague Ashish, who joins us live from the newsroom. Well, Ashish, the situation absolutely very scary. 10 Jayadeva hospital staff quarantined. Going to be a Herculean task, certainly for the health officials to figure out how many people had in actual come in contact with the patient number 252, since we've been reporting quite a lot of people who had come in contact with the patient. Patient number 252 alone.
Well, absolutely, Neha. This is one of those situations that actually highlights how risky the job of frontline warriors is. Speaking about this particular instance, patient number 252, like we've been talking about, the COVID-19 patient who passed away in Bengaluru, had actually got treatment in Jayadeva before moving on to Victoria Hospital, where he was tested and he tested positive for COVID-19. Now, what the information that we're getting from the hospital authorities is that all of the 10 people were actually wearing PPE kits and also were wearing N95 masks. So there is no risk whatsoever. So this the fact that they have been asked to quarantine is something that has been done as a precautionary measure more than anything else. So these 10 people include 2 doctors and 8 other staff of the hospital who are now being placed under quarantine, and their health will be monitored. In case they show any symptoms, they will be tested for COVID-19. So this is the situation as of now, but clearly goes on to show that a lot of patients who have actually tested positive for COVID-19 in the city had actually visited various other hospitals. We had 2-3 cases coming up yesterday as well, wherein people who tested positive in the COVID-19 hospitals had actually initially gone on to some other hospitals, and from there they have come. So that goes on to show that that could possibly be one source of contamination, one source of infection. In the fact that all of these patients actually did not really have an idea that they could actually be infected by COVID-19, and that is why they visited the regular hospitals where they were tested, given tablets, or even advised to go to COVID-19 hospitals. So before that, how many people exactly did they come in contact with? That is something that the authorities will now have to determine. But these 10 people at Jayadeva Hospital, sources suggest they were wearing PPE kits and masks, N95 masks. So they possibly, most likely should be safe from any sort of infection. But as a precautionary measure, they've been asked to quarantine as of now. Neha.
Thank you very much, Ashish, for joining us with all of those details. Over 10 Jayadeva hospital staff has now been kept under isolation since they had come in contact with patient number 252. A case of severe acute respiratory infection. He passed away. He succumbed to the deadly virus. The patient was admitted to Jayadeva hospital before shifting to Victoria hospital. He passed away on the 13th of April. Now, the 26 family members, including his grandson, his daughter also, have been kept under isolation. They have been quarantined.